This is Don Magruder from Around the House, and we're starting a new series called Quick and Easy Projects for Around the House. These projects will be quick, easy, but most of all save you a lot of money. Come join us as we take you through many projects that you're going to find unbelievably easy, but most of all save you real money. This is Don Magruder from Around the House, and today's quick and easy project is a folding sawhorse and table work area, which is great. Now in a hardware store, these items cost a lot of money, but we're going to show you how to build them probably for less than $15, but more importantly, they're great tools to have around the house to work. See how it's done. Now we're going to make our sawhorse and table. First, we're going to cut 8 pieces of 1x4 spruce 32 inches long and 4 pieces of 1x4 spruce 25 inches long. We're going to start assembling our sawhorse brackets by assembling the bottom rail of the bracket first. We're going to go 4 inches from the bottom, and we're going to use a corrugated fastener to attach the 25-inch piece to the 32-inch piece. Next, we're going to put the top rail piece of our sawhorse in by making it flush at the top, and we're going to use corrugated fasteners again to actually attach it to the rail. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take 2 32-inch pieces of 1x4 spruce, and we're going to put on top of the pieces we just installed, flush them up on the ends, and we're going to use 1¼ inch screws to attach them. This will reinforce our sawhorse brackets. Now that we have both sides of our sawhorses constructed, we're now going to attach the hinges. For this application, we're using a 3.5-inch door hinge. However, you can use a utility hinge or even better, a continuous hinge. The last step in constructing our actual sawhorse is we're going to drill a 3/8-inch hole in the center of the bottom bracket to make sure we control the spread of the sawhorses. We're going to measure 20 inches from outside edge to outside edge. We're going to run a 3/8-inch cord through the holes we have drilled. At that point, we'll tie knots, and we've now created a permanent marker for our sawhorse guides. We're going to trim the edge off to make it look good. And now we have 2 completed sawhorses. The next thing we got to do is build our work table. First, you want to cut a 1/2 inch or thicker piece of plywood, 32⅛ inches by 48 inches. Now, the reason why we're going to cut that plywood an 1/8 inch bigger is so our sawhorses will fit comfortably under the work table. Next, we're going to cut 1x2 spruce, and then we're going to use 1¼ inch screws to attach the 1x2 to the plywood. Now, I like to use a little daub of wood glue at this time to give it extra support. Once you've done that, you have your work table. The work table can be used on a smooth side, or sometimes you can turn it over and use it as a paint side. That way, if paint spills, you'll have a work table where paint will not get on your floor. Work table It's so thin and can fold up and be stored under any bed, but more importantly, anytime you have a project around the house, this will be the most used tool you'll have. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy project, and for more information on projects just like that, contact us at flhome.supply. Until next time, we'll see you around the house.